This week is Recycling Week. And what does recycle mean? It means we're going to take things such as paper, which what we have here, plastics, like a lot of our pop bottles, our milk jugs, maybe orange juice containers, laundry soap, those are all plastic items, and metal items, such as a pop can, a soup can, metal that comes out of, if you're redoing a house, there may be some metal in it. But we're going to talk about those things this week and what we should do with them. We shouldn't just throw everything away in the trash can. We can recycle those things to help make the earth a cleaner and safer place for all of us to live and animals a lot longer. So if we recycle, it'll help save the earth. Let's check out what's on our paper. Come on over to the table and we'll get ready to do our recycling sorting page. All right, find your recycling bin page, my friends. At the bottom, do you see there are 6 pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to cut right across this black line. So go ahead and cut across there. Follow the black line straight across. That way it'll be easier for us to sort out our recycling pictures and put them in the right recycle bin. Some of you might have recycle bins if you live in town. Some of them are blue, sometimes they're red, and they have recycle arrows on them. This one is for paper. Our middle one is for plastics. And our end one is for metals. And that's where we put all the recycling things that can be made into new things again, such as sometimes plastic bottles. They'll recycle the plastic bottles and they'll make new plastic bottles again. Or there's actually a place, you moms might like this, that makes shoes out of recycled plastic bottles. You'll have to check it out online. Paper products, such as newspapers or scrap papers from school, we can put in a recycling bin, and they take them and sometimes they'll shred them and they'll use them for packing materials in items that might break or to put fragile things in. So that's what they can do with some of the paper items we recycle. And metal items, they smash them down and then they melt them down and they make new cans or soup cans, pop cans, new cans out of our recycled metal. Take a look at your pictures. First one we have is a milk jug. Is our milk jug going to go in paper, plastic, or metal? What do you think? I hope you said plastic. Carefully cut on your dotted lines. And you're going to cut out your milk jug and glue it up here. Our middle one is plastics. So put some glue there and glue your milk jug in the plastics. Our next one is an empty box of cereal. Do you think our empty box of cereal is going to be paper, plastic, or metal? Where do you think that one should go? Did you say paper? I hope you did, because that's what the cereal box is going to be. It's going to go in our paper tub. Cut it out and glue it on. Our next one is an empty can of soup. Where do you think it's going to go? Is it a paper, a plastic, or a metal? It's a metal. You are right. So cut out your soup can and glue it underneath the metal basket. All right, you should have 3 pictures left. What do you think this is? Kind of looks like a rock, but it's a crumpled up piece of paper. Where do you think a crumpled up piece of paper should go? In the paper, the plastic, or the metal? Yes, it should go in the paper. So cut it out and glue it underneath the paper basket. Paper basket's our first one. Next, we have an empty pop can. Is our empty pop can a paper, a plastic, or a metal? It's a metal. Sometimes, if you keep a whole bunch of your pop cans, you can take them to the recycling center and they will pay you money for them. So that's a good thing. So put your pop can underneath the metal tub. It's the end one. And we have one left. Our water bottle. Is it a paper, a plastic, or a metal? Our water bottle is a plastic. Cut on those dotted lines and glue your water bottle underneath the plastic bin. If you want to, you may color it. Find your weekly reader, and we're going to need our scissors this week for the weekly reader. Find your black and white broken line in the middle. Cut straight across. Now, can you put your weekly reader together? I know Mrs. Bosselman's not here to put it together, so can you get it tucked in there? If Mom or Dad has a stapler and they want to staple it, that's fine, but you don't have to today. Let's check out our weekly reader. It says, don't be a litter bug. What's a litter bug? Is it a type of bug? No. A litter bug is someone who, when they're done eating their cookies or their juice box, they just throw the trash out at the park or out the window. And then it lays in the yard, it lays in the grass, and it makes our earth look all messy and yucky. So you don't want to be a litter bug. What is a litter bug? A litter bug is someone who throws their trash on the ground. And that's what we just talked about. And do you see our friend who's the litter bug down here? He's got a banana peel on his head. Turn your booklet to page 2. This crab needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. Look at all the trash is being thrown out at the beach. There's a water bottle, there's an apple core, there's a can even that the crab is trying to pick up. That doesn't seem very healthy. This deer needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. What pieces of trash do you see in the forest with the deer? Oh, there's another pop can, 2 pop cans. Do you see any more trash? Can you turn the page? This frog needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. So here the litter bugs have even thrown trash into the frog's pond or the river. There's a plastic bottle floating up and down. That's not a good thing for the frog. It could make the frog sick, or he could try to chew on it and maybe choke. That would hurt the frog. This sea turtle needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. There's a plastic bag floating down into the ocean. Here's another glass bottle. All those things are bad for all the sea animals. Turn the page. This squirrel needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. Can you find the trash in the squirrel's home? Did you find the brown bag in the pop can again? Some people aren't very careful, are they? This lizard needs a clean home. Stop littering, litter bugs. Can you find the litter bug? What does the litter bug have? He actually has 2 of them. Do you see his 2 tin cans he has? Turn to the last page. These kids need a clean playground. Stop littering, litter bugs. Uh-oh. Over here we got a banana peel on the playground and a bag blowing around. So make sure when you're done with your trash, you put it in the trash can or the waste basket. And if you're not sure where to put it, ask your mom or dad or whoever the big person is with you, where can I put my trash? And don't be a litter bug. All right, my Monday friends, find your dot to dot. What do you think we're going to make? Can you tell? Does it look like an animal maybe that lives in a lake or a pond or even the ocean? And we want to make sure we don't put any trash in any of those water places that would make our friend here sick. We've got to find number 1. Find number 1. It's down here with the star. What comes after 1? I hope you said 2. Can you find 2? After 2 is 3. After 3 is, hope you said 4. After 4, 5. After 5 is 6. What comes after 6? Oh, 7 is clear down to the bottom. After 7 is 8. After 8 is 9. And after 9 is 10. What animal did we find? Hopefully you have a happy fish and keep his world litter free.